Hello Bridget, thank you for sending requirement notes for tutorial. So I'm going to show you how to upload and edit articles. Okay, just click on your website, auto login. Then you will redirect to another page. Okay, you can add, edit or update articles from here. Just click on edit and you can edit text, image, button, whatever, and then just click save once you complete your task. You can edit or update your content or article page wise, like just click pages. You can see on main navigation there are style, beauty, showcase, introduce, print, and lifestyle and video. I have made lifestyle and video page hidden from uh, main navigation. So if you want to add new article on showcase page, just click on showcase. You can see there are 4 posts on this page. If you want to add new page or article, just click here, add post. You can see, click here, then you will see enter a post title and then enter your article. So just click here. You can see the content blocks, text, markdown, code, image, whatever. You can add based on your liking. Sorry. Once you complete this, you can add tags or categories. Showcase, here is tags, and once you complete all things, just showcase. You can see here is categories added. Showcase, you can add tags. Just click here and write showcase. You can see already I have added this tag. Just click here and showcase will appear here. And once you complete all things, just save and publish. Your post will be published. Okay. This is a test, so I am discarding it. Okay. So your requirement, another requirement was how to feature and link articles and banner from home page to other page. Okay. You can feature article, any article from here. Just click here. It is example. Edit. Sorry. You can see here is options. If you want to make this post featured, just click on here, featured post, and save. You can see this post is featured. you can see from here beauty from beauty page. You can make feature post manually. That is, I have already made this. Here you can see feature overview. Just add edit. If you want to add a new banner, just click here, edit. You can see uh, the banner image. Just remove this. You can see there is nothing here, and upload new image. Just insert it. Let's see. Yes. Okay. So you can see how we change banner image, and okay, so we can link this to another page. Just click on design. You can see here is a tutorial option. Just click on it. You can add external links or content. Content means those pages that we are added, our files. You can add downloadable files here, or external link. You can add external links. Also, and say I want to link up this banner to your Facebook.com. Something. Just once write the URL, just apply. Then it will be redirected to your edit URL or link. And next question is how to remove the learn more buttons from under articles on homepage. Okay, you can see once you mouse over on learn more button, you can see a icon of like this. Just remove this block. This will delete the blog and its content. This cannot be undone. Okay, we want to remove. Yes, we want to remove another one. Yes, we want to remove this one. Yes, we want to remove this one. And save. Okay. How to change or remove the words features overview. What is features overview? Okay. How to change or remove? You can change feature overview or just write new things over here. Wizard. This is removed wizard. Okay, you can add new text here. This is test I like. This is test I write here. For tutorial. Once you once you write all things, just save. User overview change to this is remote feature and this is test for tutorial. Okay, so another things you want to how to create new pages and how to add video or pages. You can create new page. At first you have to decide which part you want to add new pages. You can add new pages on main navigation, footer navigation, not linked. Okay. So if you want to add new pages to footer navigation, just click here. If you want to add main navigation, just click here. You create new page. There is a pop-up. You can see once I click here, there is a pop-up appear. Click new page. You can see you can add page, products, cover page, folder, album, index, blog, events, gallery, and link page. So we want to add another page. Just click here. Page. You can page title. This I write. This is test page. Okay. Starter layout. All layouts. Blank layout. About one. About two. Details. Results. Just click from here. Okay, I am starting with about one. Let's click here. Start editing. Means edit it. Okay. So you can see it's text and automatic image and text. You can see is special element and special element and social links element here. If you want to add another content blocks from here is text. Okay, I like to write this is test, and you can make it center, left, right, left, whatever, center, and you can make it as heading, heading 2, heading 3, or quote. Like it to make normal and bold and save. Okay, this test. So this is test page, and now I am going to hide it from the main navigation. To hide a page from